Hi friends, good morning. Myself Ajay from Sampe School. Again, I am having one new topic that is very simple, very easy. That is hyperconjugation. So, what is hyperconjugation? I am writing over here hyperconjugation. General stabilizing interaction. This is the general stabilizing interaction, means the stability of carbocation is related to hyperconjugation. How it happens? So alkyl group is attached to carbocation or unsaturated system. This is the first requirement statement. Alkyl group must be attached to carbocation or unsaturated system, means double bond or triple bond containing carbon. CH sigma bond will transfer to carbocation or unsaturated system. That is to be said hyperconjugation. It means CH sigma bond of alkyl will transfer to carbocation or CH sigma bond of alkyl will transfer to unsaturated carbon. The system or the reaction is to be said hyperconjugation. We are having both the example with proper explanation. First we will discuss the alkyl group CH sigma bond will transfer to carbocation. Second, CH sigma bond of alkyl will transfer to unsaturated carbon or unsaturated system with proper example. Let's see. This is the simple. Here is the CH sigma bond, sp3 hybridized carbon, hydrogen. The bond electron pair will transfer to carbocation. This is the transferation of electron pair showing this orbital diagram showing the hyperconjugation. This is the orbital diagram. This is carbocation. This is alkyl. This is the CH sigma bond. This is the empty 2p orbitals of carbocation, and CH sigma bond electron pair will transfer to empty 2p orbital. This is the orbital diagram of hyperconjugation. Let's see how it happens in general. First we will have the alkyl group CH sigma bond will transfer to carbocation. This is CH3, CH2. This is ethyl cation. Ethyl cation. Structure CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2, and this carbon is plus. This is carbocation. What will happen? This is CH sigma bond. Clear? CH sigma bond will transfer over here. Means CH sigma bond or electron pair of CH sigma bond will transfer to carbocation. The product will what? The product will this. Carbon this hydrogen as it is, this hydrogen as it is, this bond transfer over here, so here will be double bond. This hydrogen has lost the bond, so this hydrogen will become positive. Here will not bond because this bond is transfer over here, so bond is transfer over here, that CH2 as it is, and carbocation will not become plus because the bond is attached over here, so positive sign will be cancelled. Now what will be done? This CH bond may be transferred over here. This is the second diagram. So what will happen? This must be not present over here. What will happen? Now this bond will transfer over here. So product will what? You can clearly see this CH as it is, this CH as it is, here single bond as it is, here H2 as it is, this bond transfer over here, so here will be double bond, this hydrogen has lost the electron pair, so hydrogen will become plus and carbocation will be cancelled. Now this bond will transfer over here. So third diagram will be this CH as it is, CH as it is. Here the bond is transferred, so here will not bond. Here will H positive. Here will be double bond. This is CH2 as it is. This is the CH sigma bond of alkyl group. This is alkyl group. This bond may be transferred over here. Product will this. This bond will be may be transferred over here. Product is this. This bond may be transferred over here. Product is this. As number of CH sigma bond is more with carbocation, stability will be more. Suppose we are having three alkyl group with carbocation, stability will high. 2 alkyl group with carbocation, stability will be low. 1 alkyl group with carbocation, stability will be very low, and only carbocation having less stability. So number of carbocation will high. Number of alkyl group, here are 3 alkyl group with carbocation, stability is highest. Here are 2 alkyl group with carbocation, stability is less. Here are 1 alkyl group with carbocation, stability is less than this, and there is not any alkyl group with carbocation, stability is very low. So this is the stability order which is depend on number of CH sigma bond. Here 3 CH3, 1 CH3 having 3 CH sigma bond, then 3 CH3 having 9 CH sigma bond. Here 3 2s are 6 CH sigma bond. Here is only 3 CH sigma bond, and here with carbocation another alkyl group is not attached, means there is not other any CH sigma bond. This CH sigma bond will not consider. Carbocation attaching another carbon and having how many CH sigma bond depends on that stability. So very clear, very easy. Now we are having the example of propene. This is not unsaturated system. This is the hyperconjugation done in carbocation. Now we are having the CH sigma bond alkyl group attached with unsaturated system, N sigma bond will transfer to unsaturated system. That hyperconjugation we are going to discuss. So second one with example of propene will be more interesting and can be understood very properly. Let's see. Very easy, very simple. We are having example of propene. Propene means what? CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is propene. Alkyl group is attached to unsaturated system. This is unsaturated system. Unsaturated system. And this is alkyl group. So structure may be drawn like this: CH3. This is CH3. Single bond C, then H. Double bond C, and then H2. Clear. CH3, CH3, CH, CH. Double bond, CH2, CH2. What will happen? This CH sigma bond will transfer over here, and this bond electron will transfer over here. So what will product? H carbon CH2 as it is. This H is positive, this bond will transfer over here, so this will be double bond. This CH as it is, and this electron pair will transfer over here, so only one electron. This carbon will become minus, and hydrogen as it is. Number of hydrogen will be as it is. What we have done, this bond is transfer over here, so this bond is double bond. This bond is transfer over here, so this hydrogen become positive. This bond as it is. This bond's electron pair is transfer over here, so here is the electron pair, and this carbon became negative. Second version will what? Now we are going to transfer this bond over here. So carbon, this hydrogen will as it is. This hydrogen will become plus. This hydrogen as it is. Here will be double bond. Here H will as it is. Here will single bond. Here CH2 as it is. And here will be electron pair. And this carbon will become minus. Third version will what? Now we are going to transfer this bond over here. So this carbon having 2H as it is. Here will not bond. Here hydrogen will become plus. Here will be double bond. This carbon having hydrogen. Here will be single bond. This carbon having double hydrogen as it is. Here will 2 electron. Here will be minus. This is the hyperconjugation in propene. Explanation is that with unsaturated system, alkyl group is attached. Unsaturated system, alkyl group is attached. CH sigma bond of alkyl group will transfer to unsaturated system. This bond may transfer over here. This bond may transfer over here. And this bond may transfer over here. These are the three diagrams of transferation of alkyl group. Very easy, very simple. Simple. Alkyl group CH sigma bond is transferred to unsaturated system. Alkyl group having 3 hydrogen means 3 CH sigma bond. One by one CH sigma bond will transfer to unsaturated system. So this carbon have double bond, and double bond of these two carbon, this bond will convert into electron pair. So this carbon will become minus. Here will be double bond. Here will be single bond. Number of hydrogen will remain as it is. Hyperconjugation in propene we have cleared. Ready? So send me homework 2 times. Thank you very much.